Through the Mary Pickford Foundation, Create Now, and artworxLA teamed up to deliver an animation concept artwork workshop to an amazing group of teens that they serve. During this 12-week period, 20 students learned what it takes to make it in the industry and the right steps to becoming a concept designer in animation. The program was taught by industry professionals Sorie and Matt Jordan. From working with pen and paper to using Procreate on iPads, our youth were able to really dive deep.
So I just had fun with it and it just went crazy.
Oh my gosh! That thing on the left side, that's awesome!
This virtual 12-week intensive workshop allowed all of our youth to explore their creativity, learn new skills, meet and speak with other industry professionals such as designer Ross Tran, art director Franck Louis Marie, work with the LA Chamber Orchestra, explore and view a real animation studio, in-person field trips, but more importantly, they were able to explore something that could change their future. At the very end of the workshop, we had a special culminating presentation and art exhibition hosted by Inner City Arts with both students and families in attendance.
Because of this class, I learned that there's so much more I can do. It helped me completely broaden my horizons on what it means to work in the art industry. I want nothing more than to work in this. It's honestly been the best experience of my life.
Because of this class that we were taking, I got to fully decide that I do want to follow a career in art, specifically character design. This class really just encouraged me and taught me new skills of how I can become that and how my dream could be possible.
I actually never knew there was a job out there for me to do animation designs, but knowing that there is now is really great. But I love my art more than anything. It actually enables me to get out my ideas, and it's also very therapeutic. The only other art that I learned of that you can do is just tattoos. That was all I knew about art. After learning about this, I was like, oh, so there's more out there than just tattoos and other things like that.
We would like to say thank you to Inner City Arts, Pure Imagination Studios, the LA Chamber Orchestra, Ross Draws, and the Mary Pickford Foundation for giving our youth this opportunity.